beginning to end. Now begins the Renaissance. Enemies are turned into friends, and everybody sings along. No matter how many times we fell down, you rise and get stronger each time. 'Cause no matter what, you never gave up on love. And it's unbelievable how you made the change and showed me a world, a new thing. And it's inconceivable how you caught my heart, how you became my new king. And it's unbelievable how you made the change and showed me a world, a new thing. And it's inconceivable. And it's unbelievable how you made the change and showed me a world, a new thing. And it's inconceivable how you got my heart, how you became my new king.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
And welcome. Isn't it pleasing to actually welcome everyone finally to the opening of Luca's lab? Yes.
As we gather here in the garden to celebrate the opening of an extraordinary new laboratory. It's a fully equipped space where science will come to life. It's a place where experiments will be conducted and discoveries will be made. And where Luca's passion for science will continue to inspire and educate many.
It's been a long time coming, my friends, a long time coming. It's stupendously overdue, by 5 whole years in fact. But as you can see, the wait is finally over.
Your dad asked me to do a quick video to say congratulations on opening your laboratory. Hope you have a fabulous day with the family. Enjoy showing off, and love to all, and I'll see you soon.